Yeah, Stephen, Lauren, the rain really starting to pick up right now, which means more water, more rain is pouring into two homes that saw extensive damage. This is one of them. That tornado touching down just after 2 o'clock, peeling the roof off of this home. There was a little boy and a member of his family inside at the time. We're told they're both okay. It also ripped this satellite dish you can see just right out of the ground. We've got a 4-county electric crew here right now working to address the power situation. We know they cut power pretty quickly after this happened, but you can see so much of what this family owned is strewn out here on the lawn. So many of the pieces of their lives. You can see there's pillows and there's decorations, Christmas decorations, things like that out here right now as that rain continues to fall down. And it's kind of tough to see here. In fact, we're going to try and move a little bit so you can see the other home that was damaged. But that is, as you heard Stephen, Lauren mention, an assisted living facility over there. There were 6 people who lived there, and the person who owned that home got them out just before this tornado touched down. So they are all safe tonight, which is good news, but you can see just an extensive amount of damage. I do want to show you a little bit of good news tonight. We know that these 2 dogs were home at the time of this, and they're both, you can see they're a little cold out here, but they're both doing just fine. So a lot of damage really to both of these homes, 2 separate homes in Harrells. But the good news, Stephen, Lauren, is that no one was injured. We have no reports of injuries out here tonight. We'll send it back to you.